So today we're looking for the twinkle slime. It's day 4 of the twinkle slime. So on my first video I did day 3, now it's day 4. So what I'm just going to do is look for it. So day 4 of the twinkle slime is somewhere in the moss blanket. So about somewhere in the moss blanket, I am going there. It's close to where my first twinkle slime was, before even I started the first video I've done. It's super close. So when I started my first video, I've been across that place. So now I'm in the indigo quarry. I just don't know why I came there. I thought the twinkle slime was gonna be somewhere like in the glass desert maybe. But no, it's in the indigo quarry now. It's in the moss blanket. So I mean, like, I thought it was gonna be maybe in the indigo quarry another one. But I hope they would put one for the glass desert in this place. I'll use this. So my name is Leonardo. I hope you're gonna give lots of thumbs up, and please give lots of them. Because I would love to have lots of them, like everybody. So I'm just heading around here, not in the slimulation. Last video it was in the slimulation. Today's video, it's going to look for the twinkle slime. So the twinkle slime, hey, there's a gold slime. Where are you, buddy? I'll catch you. Is it a gold lago? Nah, actually I putted some gold slimes here. I just celebrated with some gold slimes. That's why they're still there. So we need to go across there and then appear in the moss blanket. So I'll go across a bit of the ruins then. So, like I said before, okay, that's the wrong tunnel way. So like I said before, you have to go close enough to him. Just that when I found him like around here, I heard him and I went on top of him. So I couldn't be able to tell you very well, because he was already going up and exploding. This time I'll try not just going on top of him. I'll try, because I really love him. He's like, and he explodes. It'll go like boom, exploded, after he sings that Christmas song. So now that I'm heading across here, okay, that's all the way back to the beginning of the indigo quarry. So we need to go in the moss blanket. I just want to see what's been sprayed all over. So what's been sprayed all over? So in my first video, I've been able to find a twinkle slime. I've been able to get my molds back. So that's good. My dad's got them back. My dad figured out how to get them back. So anyways, for now, let's just keep looking for him. Let's just keep heading closer to him through the moss blanket. That's not really this. Or actually, I'll do more of this way. I wish there was a type of shortcut we could take. But where's the fastest way to go towards him? The Twinkle Slime. Well, actually, I think I know the way. So, day 4's came of the Twinkle Slime around here. I'll just get 10 gilded ginger. Food. So it's all chickens and stuff. We need gilded ginger. 10. Oh, wait a minute. I got a trick. Boom. 10. Now press X. Here we go. So like I said in my first video, that there's the Boom Slime treasure pod around here. If you have the secret styles, you'll find it. If you don't, nope, you won't. Oh, great. Now I turned around. Again. Nah. There we go. Oh, this is annoying. Wait, what's that? Nah, nothing. It was just a leaf. Trying to trick me. Or trying to fool me. Come on. Just, okay, so. Wait, what? What day is it? What day is it? What day is that? The party Gordo disappeared. That means I got 10 gilded gingers for nothing. Ty, you can make those gilded gingers, turn them into dust. I don't care that much. So there's some cool slime science. If you've never seen a gilded ginger turn into dust, this is how it looks. It looks all moldy and stuff like that. It looks all brownish. Okay, but let's just keep going. We're nearly there. I'll sneak and scare that Twinkle Slime. Any leftover party slimes? Nope. Or maybe they're around here. Well, you can create your own party slimes. It's just a bit hard. So that's where the last Twinkle Slime was before. That's where the the Twinkle Slime. I can see him. I see him. I'll sneak across him. I'll sneak across him. I'll sneak. I have to sneak. I'll just sneak. I'm just going to sneak because I just want that Twinkle Slime. There he is. I can see him. I'll sneak in the water now. can hear him. Eh. Look at how cute he is. Eh. Ah. Okay. So to pop him, you just can't be like this, or else it won't explode. So, it's easy because he sings also. Here we go. That's how you explode him. It's a bit slow, my computer. Music box. And that's how the chimes form. Let's see what's been sprayed all over. So, that's all today's Twinkled Slime. Okay, I'll go through this teleporter. Wait a minute, what? What are these Pure Saber Slimes? These gold Pure Largos? What are these gold Largos doing there? Well, not a gold Largo now. Is this gold and this just got off? It's crazy. I don't know. But what I'm gonna do is see what's the music. Oh, did you see that? Just freezing. So here we are. Okay, let's... I want to hear what are the chimes. Or maybe not. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And I hope you give lots of thumbs up. And you subscribe and hit the bell to watch more videos like this. Bye.